Students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to describe you some descriptive questions on the play The Merchant of Venice. There are some important questions such as the trial scene, the ring episode, the title of the play The Merchant of Venice. Today in this video lecture, I am going to describe you the court scene or the trial scene of Merchant of Venice. This play is in the syllabus of BA Part 1st, English Literature, Paper 1st. In the play Merchant of Venice, there are many beautiful scenes, but the trial scene or the court scene in the fourth act is the central scene of the play. In the trial scene, the action of the play reaches its climax. It is the culmination ground of all the four stories. It is also the meeting ground of all the prominent characters of the play. When the scene begins, we know that Shylock the Jew has applied to the court for the redress of his bond which Antonio had signed in the favor, since Antonio had failed to pay back the money in the stipulated or the appointed time. Shylock the Jew was bent upon executing his bond, according to which Antonio had to pay 1 pound of flesh from his body. In the opening of the trial scene, the Duke of Venice appealed to Shylock to show mercy to Antonio, but Shylock was firm and strong in his decision to take the revenge on Antonio the Christian. Shylock was not ready to budge an inch from his determination to have the bond executed to the letter in his favor. In the meantime, information was brought that Valerio, the judge, would not be able to come in the court. Another judge had been sent to try the case. In place of Valerio, the new judge and his clerk began the trial. The judge asked Shylock and Antonio to stand up in the court. The judge examined the bond and found that Shylock had every right in his favor because Antonio had forfeited the bond by not paying the amount to Shylock in the appointed time. The judge was no one else save Portia. She was disguised as a judge. Portia asked Shylock to show mercy to Antonio because the quality of mercy was greater than the quality of revenge. She pointed out that mercy was like the gentle rain that come upon the earth from heaven. The one who showed mercy and the one who received mercy was equally happy and blessed. But Shylock the Jew was not at all moved by the appeal of mercy and wanted the execution of the bond. Bassanio was prepared to pay twice the amount of the bond, but Shylock was not ready to accept that. At last, Portia, the judge, had to say that Shylock was justified in claiming the execution of the bond. Portia declared that the Jew could lawfully claim a pound of flesh to be cut by him nearest the merchant's heart. Portia once again appealed to Shylock to be merciful and take thrice his money and tear the bond. Shylock remained adamant and wanted to have nothing but the execution of the bond. Portia, the judge, then asked Shylock to prepare his knife and ordered Antonio to prepare his bosom for his knife. Shylock was happy, and in joy he cried out, "O noble judge, O excellent young man, O wise and upright judge!" Shylock took out his knife and wanted to be operated on the body of Antonio. At this time, Bassanio again appealed to the court and to Shylock to take as much money as possible but save the life of Antonio. But Shylock was again firm, and Portia said, "You must cut his flesh from half his breast. The law allows it and court awards it." Hearing this, the Jew again was very much pleased and said in joy, "Most learned judge." Shylock started to execute his bond, but as soon as he began, Portia the judge asked him to stop. She made a new declaration which completely upset the Jew. Portia pointed out that in the bond it was written that 1 pound of flesh could be taken by Shylock from Antonio's body. There was no mention of blood in it. If in cutting 1 pound of flesh from Antonio's body, he shed even a drop of Christian blood from Antonio's body, the lands and goods of Shylock by the laws of Venice would be confiscated to the state of Venice. Hearing these words of Portia, Gratiano was filled with great joy, and he said, "O upright judge, Mark Jew, O learned judge." Shylock was completely upset because if 1 pound of flesh was taken out, then naturally the drops of blood would automatically come out from the body. There was no help in the matter. Shylock then declared that he would take his money 3 times more rather than the pound of flesh. Bassanio readily offered the more, but Portia the judge intervened with a remark that the Jew shall have all justice and nothing but justice. Portia then said that if the Jew cut a little more or little less than exactly 1 pound of flesh, he would be guilty and he would die, and all his would be confiscated. It was almost impossible for Shylock to cut exactly 1 pound of flesh, and so he had to give way. The judge Portia then declared that the property of Shylock was confiscated by the state, and one part of his property was to be given to Shylock's daughter Jessica on the condition that after Shylock's death it shall be inherited by Lorenzo, the husband of Jessica. The Jew then left the court completely frustrated and disappointed. The life of Antonio was saved by the cleverness of Portia. So the trial scene is very interesting, and it shows the ingenuity of skill of Portia. Legally, the trial scene is nothing but the distortion of law, but it saves the life of Antonio. The trial scene is considered the best scene in the play because of the following reasons. First, the vividness of description. Secondly, the legal argument. Thirdly, beautiful dialogues. Fourth, appeal to mercy. Fifth, dramatic forcefulness. Sixth, the ups and downs of passion. And seventh, in the words of Hazlitt, the trial scene is a masterpiece of dramatic skill. and we have no hesitation in endorsing the judgment of Hazlitt that the trial scene is one of the masterpieces of Shakespeare's dramatic skill. So students, this question is very important for the final examination. So prepare it well. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.